Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today at Battery Guys Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup truck. What you would need for this project is a 10-inch socket with a long extension to take off the center bracket for this battery. Very simple, just use the extension, turn clockwise, and take off the bracket. Once you do that, you can use either a 10mm socket or a wrench, as we are using here in this video, to take off the negative terminal of this battery. Just turn it clockwise, very simple. Okay, once you get that done, we're going to take off the positive. Turn it clockwise until the bolt loosens up. And also too, the type of battery that's in this truck is a group size 65, if you're wondering what type of battery is in here. Once you get your battery taken out, you're going to insert your new battery back into the same battery spot where you took the old one out of. Okay, now we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this vehicle, which is a group size 65. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to put your bracket back on first, stick the bolt in, kind of get it started with your fingers first. Then you're going to use that long extension to tighten that bolt up. So you want to get that battery snug in there very tight. And if it's your first time visiting the channel, please subscribe. We love our subscribers. Comment, share the video. Again, this is a group size 65 that is in this Dodge Ram. If you need one of those, you can visit our website at Battery Guys with a Z and get this same battery half the price than going to your national auto part chain, shipped directly to your door, up to a 2-year warranty, half the cost. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're actually hooking up the positive terminal. Just use your wrench and tighten up the bolt until it gets back very tight. Then once you do your positive terminal, you'll get your negative back on there. And use that same 10-inch wrench to tighten up that negative bolt for this battery terminal. And if we added value to you by you watching this video, please comment, subscribe, like the video, share. And we'd like to thank our new subscribers as well that we are receiving on a daily basis. Thank you for your support. All right, we got this done. Very simple process, very simple. Have a nice day.